Hello everyone, N3FJZ here. Okay, this is part 3 of the ZX-SSB-II Front Panel Development work. And what I have here, I've completed the layout as was shown in the last video, and I've started development work on the color display portion of this project. Now, this also, and I also wired up the GPS link clock just to have it on this board here. Now what I may do, and what I'm planning to do, is integrate the GPS clock into the sketch that controls the SI 5351 and also drives the color display, so it all will be in one display instead of having it broken up. I just want to get the circuit represented on the board here. And since the sketch I was using already had the drivers for the OLED, I just went ahead and just got it up and running. Okay, one of my first concerns with running the color display a few years ago was will it update fast enough as the Nokia display? As you can see, as you turn the encoder, the digits update very quickly. And I had some reservation because some early tests I did, the display, I wasn't overly impressed with its speed. So I sat down and just did some development research and trying different things. And what I've got here now is what I would consider very fast updating. So I'm no longer concerned about that. So I think I can go ahead and do the rest of the development on this display. Now, this is like a brute force hack, and I've included the Arduino sketch and the schematic on my website, which would be circuit 6040. And if you go to the ZX-SSB-II Front Panel page, I'll have it down there. It'll be listed with this video, and I'll also provide links in the video itself at the bottom. But this is a brute force hack just to try some concepts for an S meter. And the way I'll write this is I'll write it also where the meter can be for power output, SWR, and a number of other things. And one of the features of the meter is that, and this is why I have 3 instances here on the screen, is that you could set parameters that will change the bar color as it passes through a setting, some kind of threshold. And I just did 3 instances, each one with a different threshold collection. And as you can see, that would be very beneficial, say for SWR, as it would extend past a certain SWR range, then the display could the bar would turn red and so forth. Anyway, you get the idea. But you can see that the update is very fast. Now, on this particular schematic, let's see if I can bring that up here. And this is where the video will go once I finally get it up. But down at the bottom, you're going to have the sketch. You click on that, you'll see the sketch. And I'll have a schematic link here. You can click on that. The schematic will appear in a separate tab. Now down here is where I've added a potentiometer. Where'd it go? There we go. Analog 10 on the Mega 2560. And this is just for development, or I may even leave it for the final build. Perhaps I'll put some potentiometers for some fine adjustment or something. But it would be a very interesting unit to use. Anyway, enjoy, check it out, download the sketch, build the circuit, see how it works for you. N3FJZ.